So shots are right there, 11, 10, 20, 22, up to 40, and the goals are 1, 6, 2, 7. So that's the relationship between the number of times they shoot and the number of times they score. Now draw the scatter plot. Scatter plot is just drawing the values or the data values on a graph. Now the x-axis is right there, and excuse me. Now I that is what your teacher did.
Yeah.
Looks pretty. Anyways, you're writing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and all those values. And I don't know, these values are kind of missing. Yeah, your teacher drew the diagram, which is kind of missing there. 8, 10, and then the shots are. I can draw this thing for you right there. I mean, it's really not that good. So we have the shots on the bottom and goals right there. And I
You can
see,
just do approximately.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, I see 11 to 40 goals are there. So what we do, I have to extend it a little bit. So I do rather, I do this. That means there's some data values, and like the data values are, I do 11. Now I can go forward by, let's do this as 10, and I assume this is 40. That means this is gonna be 20. Nope. Now the middle of 10 and 40. What would be the middle? What would be the middle of 10 and 40? We do the average, right? 25.
Yeah.
25 is in the middle, so 15 on left hand side and 15 data values on right hand side. Now I do the quarters. So 10 and 25, the mean of that, you add them, 35 over 2, which is gonna be 17.5. So let's say this is my 17, and so I add 7 to that. It's gonna be 32 or something. So I have these goals. So this is 10, that is 17. That means I have like 7, marks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Got it? And 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32.
Mm-hmm.
And then 31, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. So we have all the numbers, so we pick up the shots and the goals, and now the goals are pretty straightforward. I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now the first is when the shots are 11, the goals are 1. So 11 is right there. This is going to be the point, right? And this is the point. Now the next is when shots are 20, goals are 6. And we know that 20 is right there. 21, 23, it was 21, 22, 3. So this is the 20. So this is gonna give you 6. So 6 is gonna be up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, and that's 20. So the point is right there. And then we do go for the next one, 22. 22 gives 2. 22 is right there, and 2 is right there. So this is the point. And then we have 24, 7. 24 is right there. 7 is gonna be up here. Right here. And then 28. And 28 is, you understand all of them, right? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Good, good. Okay. Now, next is, we do 28. So 28, 6, 7, 8. 28 is there. And we have 6 for that.
Yeah.
And then 32. And that is 8. 32, 8 is right there. And 32, oh, I forgot, there's 4 as well. The two 32s. So I make 4 as well for 32. Which is gonna be right here. And then 40, 11, 40 is right there. 11 is gonna be on the top. This is the point right here. So we got this, these data values, the dots. The red dots are your data values. Those are the points which are representing the relation of shots with the goals. Shots versus goals.
Mm.
Good.
Yeah, but then how do you
Now,
get the draw,
yep,
like the best fit of line?
that's true. Now the next thing is line of best fit. Is that's what they're asking for. Draw a scatter plot. What type of correlation does this relation represent? Now the correlation, when you go forward on x-axis, the y values are going upward, right? So the relation is positive. With more shots, there are more chances of goals. Why I do know that? How do I know that? Because the line of best fit is somehow representing, let me use blue color. Line of best fit is gonna go through, no, these are my data values, somewhere here, right? And it's going up. The slope of this line, which is going up, the line of best fit, it's gonna look like that. Probably a bit up because there's more weightage to the
So it's just
values.
approximately. You don't have to get like.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
No, not yet. It's gonna be like that. Yep, that's good. That's better. Now, this is my line of best fit, and it's going up. What does that mean? It means the slope is positive. Positive slope means relation is positive. When there are more shots, there will be more goals, right? As shots are going up, the goals are also going up. See? So that's that. You understand what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now the next thing is draw the line of best fit. We already did that. And then they want us to
The equation.
Now the equation of line. This line, if if you notice that this line is still, it should be more like this. This line should be more like that. Slightly off. I just noticed that. This is better approximation. So my line is passing through somehow 0, 0. So my B, which is the y-intercept, is 0. And my slope, which is represented by M, is going to be, you can pick any two good points and then do the rise over 1. And I can pick this point, and I can pick another point which is good. For example, let's say this point. This point is giving me 17 there,
Yeah.
and it's giving me 1, 2, 3, right? So the slope is the rise divided by 1. This is the rise. And a rise is the difference of the y component. And this point is 0, 0. This point is 0, 3. The y component is 3, right? So you do 3 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 0. Nope, nope, nope. I did a mistake. Because my point is this one, right? Now this is not the point. That's just the, the y distance.
So you can literally pick any point over
yeah,
there.
you can pick any point. 2 points. Like I picked these 2 points. This one and that one. So the y are 0, 3. So I do 3 minus 0. Then I do 17 minus 0.
Oh.
Yeah, 17 minus 0. I got 3 over 17. That's my slope. So the equation of line is going to look like y equals to slope x plus y-intercept, which is 0. So you don't have to write plus 0, but that's the line. Equation of the line of the best fit. Equation of the line of best fit. So here we go.